Deep in the heart of Ethiopia lies Bale Mountains National Park. Towering peaks pierce the clouds, and vast plains stretch endlessly. Established in 1970, the park covers over 2,200 square kilometers. It encompasses diverse habitats, from Afro-alpine meadows to lush forests. This biodiversity hotspot teems with life found nowhere else on Earth. The park is divided into 5 distinct ecosystems, each with unique inhabitants. From the windswept Sanneti Plateau to the dense Harena forest, marvels await around every corner. This is a place of stark contrasts, where icy glaciers meet fiery volcanoes, where the air is thin, yet life is vibrant. Join me as we journey into the heart of this natural wonder. Bale Mountains National Park is a haven for endemic species. The park boasts over 1,300 plant species, many with medicinal properties. Its diverse habitats support a remarkable array of animal life, including 78 mammal species. From the iconic Ethiopian wolf to the elusive mountain nyala, unique wildlife thrives here. Birdwatchers flock to witness over 280 bird species, including the Abyssinian catbird and blue-winged goose. This rich tapestry of life faces threats from climate change, habitat loss, and human encroachment. But there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this natural treasure. Together, we can ensure its survival. Our journey begins high in the sky, approaching the Sanneti Plateau. This Afro-alpine moorland, over 4,000 meters above sea level, is called the roof of Ethiopia. The air is thin and crisp, yet life finds a way. Giant lobelia trees, resembling upside-down cacti, stand sentinel against the wind. Their spiky leaves trap precious moisture from the air. Herds of Ethiopian wolves roam the plateau, their reddish coats blending seamlessly with the landscape. These endangered canids feed almost exclusively on rodents found in the high-altitude grasslands. Their survival is intricately linked to the health of this unique ecosystem. The Sanneti Plateau, harsh yet beautiful, is a testament to life's resilience. Marvel at nature's ability to adapt and thrive in extreme environments. Descending from the plateau, we enter the misty Harena forest. Clouds cling to the mountainsides, shrouding ancient trees in an ethereal embrace. Towering juniper trees, some over 400 years old, reach for the sky. Beneath their canopy, a vibrant understory thrives with ferns and orchids. Waterfalls cascade down steep ravines, their roar echoing through the forest. Streams, fed by constant mist, create a symphony of soothing sounds. The air is alive with the calls of unseen birds, their songs a reminder of the teeming life within. As we delve deeper, we feel a sense of awe and wonder. This is a place of ancient beauty, where time seems to stand still. A place where the secrets of the forest whisper on the wind. The Harena forest is a place of remarkable biodiversity. Nestled between the high-altitude plateau and lowland savannas, it creates a transition zone where species converge. The trees, covered in mosses and lichens, absorb moisture from the frequent mists. The forest floor is a mosaic of ferns, mosses, and flowering plants. Colobus monkeys swing through the branches, and bushbucks graze quietly below. The air is filled with the calls of birds, adding to the symphony of life. The Harena forest is a reminder of nature's surprises and interconnectedness. Beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. Bale Mountains National Park is a botanist's paradise. Over 1,300 plant species thrive within its varied habitats. The Afro-alpine moorlands of the Sanneti Plateau contrast with the lush Harena forest. Giant lobelias dominate the high-altitude landscape, their silvery hairs trapping moisture. Lower down, heather and shrubs provide food and shelter for insects and small mammals. Wildflowers attract bees and other pollinators. The park's flora plays a vital role in the ecosystem, providing food and shelter for animals. Plants prevent soil erosion and regulate water cycles. Protecting this botanical wonderland is essential for the park's health. Every inch of the park bursts with life. Among the most iconic plants of the Bale Mountains are the giant heather trees. These ancient giants, some over 400 years old, dominate the higher elevations of the Harena forest. Their gnarled branches, draped in moss and lichen, create a mystical atmosphere. These trees are perfectly adapted to life in the clouds, with small, leathery leaves reducing water loss. Their shallow roots spread wide, anchoring them to the steep slopes. The dense canopy provides shelter for myriad plants and animals. Walking among these giants is a humbling experience. Sadly, they are under threat from climate change and habitat loss. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these ancient giants for future generations. The Bale Mountains are home to a wealth of medicinal plants. Local communities have relied on these plants for centuries. One such plant is the African wormwood, used to treat various ailments. Another important plant is khat, a stimulant used in social gatherings. The park's botanical diversity attracts scientists discovering new species. Some plants hold promise for developing new medicines. However, overharvesting and habitat loss threaten this treasure trove. Sustainable harvesting practices and conservation efforts are crucial. The Ethiopian wolf stands as a symbol of the Bale Mountains' wild heart. This rare canid is found nowhere else on Earth. With its reddish coat and long legs, it hunts during the day, scanning the grasslands for prey. Rodents, like the giant mole rat, make up the majority of its diet. The wolves live in packs, working together to bring down their prey. Sadly, the Ethiopian wolf is one of the most endangered carnivores in the world. Habitat loss, disease, and human conflict threaten its survival. Conservation efforts, including vaccination programs and community outreach, are crucial. As we descend from the plateau into the Harena forest, we enter a different realm. Here, in the shadows of giant trees, live some of the park's most elusive creatures. The mountain nyala, a large spiral-horned antelope, is a prize sighting for any visitor. Its dark brown coat blends seamlessly with the forest undergrowth. These shy creatures are solitary, except during the mating season. Males, with their impressive horns, compete for the attention of females. Habitat loss and hunting threaten its survival. Conservation efforts focus on reducing deforestation and promoting sustainable hunting practices. The Bale Mountains are alive with a symphony of sounds. The park is home to over 280 bird species, making it a birdwatcher's paradise. High on the Soneti Plateau, the eerie calls of the bearded vulture echo across the valleys. In the Harena forest, the air is filled with the songs of smaller birds. The Abyssinian catbird and the blue-winged goose are just a few of the avian wonders. Each species plays a vital role in the ecosystem, from pollination to seed dispersal. Protecting this avian orchestra is crucial for maintaining the park's health. The diversity of bird life is a testament to the park's varied habitats. Protecting Bale Mountains. National Park requires a dedicated team of park rangers. Patrolling vast areas, they brave harsh weather and challenging terrain. They monitor wildlife populations, track poachers, and educate visitors on conservation. One of their biggest challenges is tackling human-wildlife conflict. The rangers work closely with local communities to mitigate these conflicts. They help farmers protect livestock and promote sustainable livelihoods. It's a delicate balancing act, but essential for the park's long-term health. The rangers are the unsung heroes of conservation. Conservation is not just about protecting wildlife, it's about people too. The Bale Mountains are home to communities who have lived in harmony with nature for generations. Sustainable resource management is key to ensuring the well-being of both people and nature. The park authorities work closely with local communities to promote sustainable practices. These initiatives provide alternative income sources, reducing reliance on harmful activities. They empower local communities to become stewards of their environment. However, balancing the needs of people and wildlife is an ongoing challenge. It requires a collaborative approach to find solutions that benefit everyone. Despite the challenges, there is hope for the future of Bale Mountains National Park. Tourism, when managed responsibly, can be a powerful tool for conservation. It provides revenue for park management and economic opportunities for local communities. Sustainable tourism practices, such as limiting visitor numbers and promoting eco-friendly lodges, are essential. The future of the park depends on the actions we take today. By supporting conservation efforts and promoting sustainable practices, we can ensure its survival. Educating future generations about the importance of biodiversity is crucial. Together, we can ensure this wild wonderland thrives for centuries to come. Venturing into Bale Mountains National Park is an unforgettable experience. Every turn reveals a new vista, a new encounter with the wonders of the natural world. For adventure seekers, the trek to the summit of Mount Tulu Demtu is a must. Standing at over 4,377 meters above sea level, it offers breathtaking panoramic views. For a more leisurely experience, the park offers well-maintained trails through the Harena forest. Here, you can immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of this ancient woodland. Keep an eye out for the park's elusive inhabitants, from colobus monkeys to vibrant birds. A journey through Bale Mountains National Park is a journey into the heart of wild Ethiopia. Bale Mountains National Park can be enjoyed year-round, but the best time to visit depends on your interests and preferred weather conditions. The dry season, from October to May, offers the best chance of clear skies and comfortable temperatures for hiking. During this time, the Seneti Plateau is at its most vibrant, with wildflowers carpeting the landscape in a riot of colors. Wildlife sightings are also more frequent, as animals congregate around water sources. This is the ideal time to spot the Ethiopian wolf, as they are more active during the day in search of prey. The wet season, from June to September, transforms the park into a lush paradise. Waterfalls cascade down the mountainsides, and the Harena forest is alive with the sound of rushing water. This is a magical time to experience the park's biodiversity, with the forest teeming with life. However, be prepared for muddy trails and occasional downpours. The wet season is also the time when the park's resident amphibians and reptiles are most active. So, keep an eye out for these fascinating creatures as you explore the rainforest's depths. As we conclude our journey through Bale Mountains National Park, we are left with a sense of awe and responsibility. We have witnessed the raw beauty of the Seneti Plateau. We have delved into the emerald embrace of the Harena forest. We have encountered creatures found nowhere else on Earth. A symphony of birdlife fills the air with its music. These encounters remind us of the incredible biodiversity within the park. This natural legacy faces numerous challenges: climate change, habitat loss, and human-wildlife conflict. The future of Bale Mountains National Park depends on the choices we make today. Bale Mountains National Park stands as a beacon of hope. It reminds us that even in a world facing environmental challenges, pockets of wilderness still endure. Places where the air is clean, The water is pure and life continues in all its glory. But the park's survival is not guaranteed. It requires dedication from each and every one of us. We all have a role in protecting this natural treasure. By supporting responsible tourism, we contribute to conservation. Raising awareness empowers others to become stewards of our planet. Conscious choices reduce our environmental footprint. The legacy we leave is shaped by today's actions. Let us be the generation that protects our planet's wild places. Let the call of the wild remind us of our shared responsibility.